Welcome to Exponents with Fractional Bases. After that long and boring decimal video, this one should draw a clear line. Alright, so the rule to remember with fractions is that a over b times a over b is just going to be a squared over b squared, which means that a over b squared, so that the square of the fraction is just the square of the numerator over the square of the denominator. So that applies to cubes as well, right? 1/4 to the third power is 1 to the third power over 4 to the third power, which should be reasonably easy, right? 1 to the third power is 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. 4 to the third power is 16 times 4, which is 64. So you'll notice this is small, it's less than 1, and it gets much smaller because we're cutting it down by a fourth twice. Okay, so we can prove this by just saying over here, this is 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4, which is 1/16 times 1/4, and again is 1/64. Okay, let's go on to something slightly more complex. 3/5 to the fourth power. We could do this 3/5 times 3/5 times 3/5 times 3/5, but I'd rather just go 3 to the fourth power over 5 to the fourth power, because those are things that I can do reasonably easy. 3 to the fourth power is going to be, let's see, there's 3, 9, 27, 81. So that's 81. And then 5 to the fourth power is 5, 25, 125, 625. So that's 625. And there you go. There's how you deal with exponents with fractional bases. You just raise the numerator to the exponent and raise the denominator to the exponent and go from there. Good luck.